We're all about providing our customers with quality products, therefore it is in our best interests to showcase some of our work. But we can only do so much, and here's how you can help. We're all about providing our customers with quality products, therefore it is in our best interests to showcase some of our work. As you can see, the image above shows you what the design looks like. That's a good start, but we need to show customers what it can look like when fitted, which we simply can't do alone. That's why we're asking you. We already have several images for each product we manufacture. However, every home is different, so the skirting and architrave will also look different in a different setting. We use the densest MDF available and pride ourselves on the quality of the finish we're able to produce. If you've ordered from us before and now have the skirting boards or architraves fitted in your home, you could showcase it on our Facebook page. All we need is a photo of the skirting or architraves in place and we'll put it on our Facebook page. All you have to do is simply send a photo to info@skirtingworld.co.uk along with your name and we'll put it on our Facebook page. And that's a wrap on our video. Hopefully you found it insightful and useful, and we will see you in our next video.